Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to install Kustomize in Windows with the help of binary. So for that, we need to first search in Google Kustomize binary Git. And here you click on the first link and here you get the respective binaries, and out of these you'll select Kustomize this version 4.5, and as you can see there are the assets displaying here. You need to go for Windows, so you can just download it from here, Kustomize Windows AMD, and this way the tar file gets downloaded. And here I have already downloaded a tar file. You just need to extract it, so extract here. You can check inside it, there is a kustomize.exe file inside it. Okay, so here you can check that there is a kustomize.exe file here, and you need to run this .exe file with the help of command line. So here I am, and if I search the directory, so I put this kustomize.exe file in here at the base. So you just need to run and kustomize.exe file. Just write kustomize.exe, and this way your Kustomize get installed. And for checking if it's get installed or not, you need to type command kustomize and version, and it will reflect the same version which was reflecting in the binary from the Git version 4.5. That's it for this lecture. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.